we book me with her, say me child don't want kakra, or say me turn perfume kakra fi na me sika. Na say ko bi hwe mani no say me Chinese person ba ku bi na fi na me sika. So no say me boss kra, me say boss, why ade, baby ade me free, ade me abeduru ha, eda so kra me mu, ye na watenetene me amabufo nkete nyina boys we mu. Me nua mo guai. Atete am de mo studio ha. Enya asem keto am mo bi nka. Me ya me kama de. Na nso ni nyina mu. Se ko bi se star abutre. Star abutre. Na adom, no na mfa na famous na mfa na me chese. Atete we nyina mu na afia so. Adai. Enti one plan o, ya dey plan e we dey agya. Wow, ni sam professional painting obi si me yan ka me da ya dey bo anye machola no. Ya na ya. Enti no say ko be don't worry. Don't worry. I go celebrate you people. I go celebrate you famous. I go celebrate you Adom burst. Aye, so tapu kuchu. My boss. Say na memo life bonya we no sam da house. Ha. Memo space obi a she bi da. Bian she bi da. Me space an be ma bronya we no. Eno nkwa na baby a okobi a be she. I tell you be would you nya be park wo. Kuma share that plan say papa ya de. But mu watch o. Papa ene efo ana. Okay, so Nisa professional painting for yeah that one must say over say we a professional painter. Wadaroma. Hunu womo wombemma wontetie na won so hu send ya obe painti kama obe choose paint di ama obi a wasi ne fie de all just say wa rent dan a o peso o painti mu a o hu paint e wo so use so no who Nisa, they will do it for you. They recommend fantastic paint for you and you will love their job. What's just say myself Nisa for number na that screen so no now no mo twetwe nkomo bibia be kama e de amma me so te papa to ade so ade bi a sha sisi ya on se me ba ya me hotem am se me bi money boss so wo da ho se ye so say na ge be we na no me wi ma no papa I'm telling you yesu di mu so am afia kwa beto me akuku hwa se am fe mu enti wo to start entinavie ya kan say ya sa grow entinavie so obana maji bone straight 30 inches na gumachi a na ya moton abaka say obi na ato amana nyo nkofo to wegi my ebe ma bia no ya so it start obana maji machine papa bi na me dan air condition bo me one left and right me dam dem a na my homodwe me po adwuma bi ara mpent ma kodam dem adentia because me kodam me ko ma chole me ho me nkwana am sole ahomachi be adwuma ma enti no won weti ma ye bi amana boso o ka that day o pese otofufro bitimi a start nkakra enti won so no hu ni sap enfo ni nti obra oti abuchi so omo chabechi omo bra o omo bra so be 100k kra dia send no dwene won we ne bills yenti omo ase ewom so omo se send us dey na so bo ho so a won oba Ghana ofere o I'm telling you oba Ghana ho chale ono no chese ono no okay o yes respect Papa was say any respect or come around about say any respect enti huni sakafo na start bibi na obana okro adwuma oba say no okay oba na wo kise ni dio gucci Louis Vuitton say yes mini no take no okay o enti bonse na respect no e wo soro no ba I say the basa wa yesesa obahwe omu osma me se ma me keti afutu odi tu me osese manyere me wan ko school na se manya adwuma anya na man ko manimu a medi mi nua boy ti da bia se mo me ka kire wo anye ye kura me tie me professional teacher na me se me nya TV adwuma kwa na me ko kire made a certificate webe se ko bi na mdu achi enti me srew uni stack for na pe wadwuma kura eno no na won so no so no guys moko temale moko konongo moko boase moko ye modwuma why fine to say ni sack na kasa ni sack pia abeko achi no pampan fa na ma me feel no smell good or dress good because there's a money to spend and if me won't tell me but I'm telling you the way I'm showing you the way just do that maybe I feel odifo ewie mfo ba Samson kwaku ye boa papa odende papa sebi e son ni futabra ba ni menyina nya binum odifu hwebe papa mititu tata na isa matwiru wo odifu awimfo ba Samson kwaku ye boa therefore you too ate obo ade nyankopon onyimfra dum enkwa dum 5 solid years yes start Koowaa na entertainment asa na yeba abeye politics papa want to mu boso me krada osedana me bebi akọ eno nkwa na ye me fe na ye me de wunya kan na mahonhon na me kra ni agisi homoje na meti na sem tete wache o me po amefro enti watch it out papa say wudi sie bia na adwene mu kan oni no mabasa mobro wanya kakra fo de ebedi de ebenom matade that day they say me kwajomo no papa ho me kachro e bia de ohun da dada maka chro say me bio money boss since January ma me bo life ago so no me bo nsama wa and you know me ko apa na makwaje fofo na me de di me be di 22nd 23rd no me bio money boss so sare we no and papa me ba me le me pent man pe 2 years pe and I say me dey pam top ba kwa na ma be jam me ba ye ne ka odi be self dey so me nyam udi amodi na nyam what I say and yon ko jape pro papa nyam israel ne ho nteme na so obi ya ade nipa ya ade a osa yeyi enti meyi wa ya koti so benya 120 years na oda kren me samba na cha semata me watare me bu se tababam sa pepe pen number ne da skin so no fa na na chichi nkomo obe yo fa mewie adwumako mienu we na no pomo ajebre no maso masne e de dwuma di ebrew ala pepe di nkomo na ada kwaku fado the president of the Republic of Ghana wakasa na na do say sebi son sebi enyado ya na kwofo bi ka say ojina simpie so kan say no on handi over enfa mo bi a obehwe na chi a ma ne legacy enye to said ye ono ope no oso da bi okasa na sebi son sebi enyado enkyere say obi mu ani ana said oben wani abato no on handi over enfa man oso da bi entisa osi ko be ya na ni gie ebe ni kra ni gie sebi son sebi enyado Yeraba umia vice president flag bearer elect enka sebio send on na ekwo na ne ko ne bam ko jena chimana ko gara fo etu aba de manu na ko jena chimana enka be ne de pa eno nkyere sebio se nipa foforo ba be wani aba na on hand over from so be I will hand over to anybody that Ghanaians would choose as a president. Yes, sa pepe. Na no, adu so boy. Wakasa sanko mono yebedi ewe fidie so. Edi na ma sebi son sebi nyado. Enkofo susu say, asem o kan no kwan so ananya no kwan so efiri yem ana efiri yem. Yebedi nkomwe ewo so you so. Saso na electoral commission so aba be kasa. Na electoral commission asem o kan nyina ene say sebi son sebi nyado ko ti ba be print ballot papers foforo the afrafra ne ade ura kamasa ne no cromfo no what nancy ne green no what the agino come be green the emergency me come in start emergency and and obey electoral commission say enyo no credit osi no credit biara sebio ballot person was all the police station bia no and one of the beko pepe the two abani wi so obi anyina ho obi anhye ne kan mu ne bibia mu na obi ameka say na ye wiem akoha ne Ghana de saa ye nua mu mienu nyina DC for kasa and the commission na obewiem and obewiem abaye ntwe so mo electoral commission bewiem MPP for us to say, hey, and and ma bi nkoye, and yes, say, we kasa. Electoral commission, onya mudie or say, Sata no so, munyina mamona, mumejina na mummi money. Udi ntwa wadi cho, udi ntwa yedi, na fe na me kokot and koko fashion wona koko baby na Ghana for any be decide. What I say, Mary, think of yebedi na share. Come on, Kroma yete on enipa bone for da bia wo motare ye ho sadofo ye ne o mokwa ye ne obametia me hu ye obi asif nim case Me share papa. I am covered by the blood of Jesus. And to metna ha mano da ya mano den di amaji mi gabu to me ti na ma betna mano ya. I am covered by the blood of Jesus Christ. We know ya kunya betna ka ho beto se de me ho se me ya. Na nim di ntia make am. Enne me pa bonifo nti boni ayefo nti enne be makohia wo ba na wo so oboa no ko ntimi nyini na omoa no arintia oba kohia obema na wo so oboa no kra na ko ebibie ho because ochina adechie mu nsem bema no rebe fi ene say ye na madan kasa tintintin sister bi and offer me Thursday no ton I wasn't around and to offer us Diane na me simpa cho hwan ni o us Diane wonni me if in London na ba Ghana na obokru no say which ran carry carry square to us se passe us Diane me kasa free se passe because me kon carry Twansi secondary school carry tos school am going no go na to ashe se passe na me say hey se passe from us say ah dan but not landing for over 30 years na time na me wo Ghana no na me de ti bribe montie ni yo osno de ti bribe time na owo Ghana ansa na obetu kwan akọ London na okọ London no oso okohia abrantie bi ene ne wumienu na relationship no ankoyi nti ono find the way and abrantie no so e find the way nti oso oha no say me guy ya na me ne ti Ghana no is so good me peno sila akra onsa nware me ne di nkomo nti sa na tie dia ene me kwa kofa no na me de na ba London ha na chese ya be ware na yatsna na sister isi Diane me bo modern a try dia me pe bia meye bia na me be fa eye bra no e wukuma ase na me de ne call yin na ekotina London o se etina London no anche ena menyinsen ena me woye de tosu biem osan so se anche afini akire ena osan nyinsen bi na so one bra no abawu mienu tie ni o enti o se enkra mienu na chi owo ni second born bra ne wo second born no na to se fourth born no oni de mienu bra ne de ba first one kan na miensa ena bra ne second one ne ekra se 4 to say okra ne last fourth born na oni bra no be fa no free Ghana no ewo no hu say eno ne bra ne te wa bra ne free Ghana asa odi nkomo ti sa asa obi a oni oba foforo ye de edi nkomo ewo Ghana o se Diane me mi say ne say na hwan na ne ka say na hwan ya no ka say me sister ana me bra o ti wan ka bi da to se dako o tete ya e man so suspicious ekwan bi e be fa so an e de hu se we ye no pro sa me kwam te sa me metimi attract me to back me ka fat prage edu achi me ma ye bi da bra no so me chie no onim se nam de prage edi na chi me chie no me de prage di na chi enne oti asemoni yembe no me de prage di wachi nyina yes nsem chojuma na me sister no o chance no nsem chojuma nti o say obi o ha ti said ye studio hey MCR for no mo ye next room nenso no se omo gina ye gate we ya ye famu ba MCR for me ti America se on be dey wo mbeti sanso no omo so kasa wo ha omo fi so omo atopun no mo nenso me so me ye dey meti nti sister ne say o ti tell bra na nti so di nkomo no se owo ba wa ware no ewo Ghana wa mo na mane oni oba na wo enti sister ne si wem sano wanye hwe ni nyina oni ne te o se bra no so ba ye no 7 oni no ko ye no 17 years shemani mo kamera ni yo adwum bone ana na mema ye moamo sa na ema no so ye moamo mamo moaye yenye so ento say no tintin ni tete mu nyina ne se oni bra no hwe ya no hu se se bra yi enye oba ba akompo e no wo no Ghana ema mienu yire mienu and no one more guns. So when Miss Sano or Shenny no more say, and money be a good and I mean, me cook have me cook ham, I was sometimes cooking yet. Meet me, oh, Murakama mean to me. Mate, I can't. Whatever I will see, I'll talk about it. Meet me, Yamia Momsa. Na Mushiama na ABB, can I am Mushi? No more, or more as one can. They are dangerous. We na sister and one cassa. The bread you 10 and also, or bush, no car said, Mammy Yari. To send a bagan as a passing or behavior. No bass a passing or some behavior, ne mammy, or no, see, I say no catch them. Whether or so catch a band send a mammy Yari to Oban to Oban. No, didn't many in a day, a bagan. No, or didn't many in a be man, and mammy and a sister. Because we see until they are okay. No, coy. So coy and sister Brian any ban or say Diane, any ban no so. Now me the many in a bagana. Me the mother so nice expensive schools more me coy and I'm sick. Bemena, are you cool? Me bagana my baby she investigation. I will say so you mean send me the more kwasia. And I say me de me paper abewa okra wunya nya won krata mponi mate my sister me no ma me na me ye dey me kro no afi bra yi ni sesi oba okra ne krata wodi adwuma wodi hwew sesi okoye anasa obai oso apa mo bra no afi ni fi ho e na obi sa me se enka ne mani nti ko onye den amanfo ka che ne se nye hwe owo yire mienu kra wa abruchire kra na wona na wo nti koso na na nto se obi a wan ka no kra nkyere me mabisa oso ni yire bi o me so up to now I don't have anybody oso timi hu se na bra na abruchire na opa konti ele che so di tro kire ne se woni yire se yire no mienu two enti onye den kesi onu no kra mienu oso dan me lucky bibia me hia hwe osi me bia me filling stations me may okay me see me fie wi me kra madwuma ena me se me san brochi na me betan Ghana kra na me dem pepe me obi aye adwuma musun bia di sika bebre me Ghana enti be ma we menye nde kwase abuo mu promise sei ma be fa na kwa brochi o ena kakra na o me no me san me be support no send de ba nti menye ne de awusanfo ma no ato o hwe me onkoye osida treat me masemi o mami ba cho wasem no and am there to jam yenu komo 0202668461 enkwala ni nti onye de bia oh na now na nkra ni nti o and am nkra ni nti o and am nkra ni nti o nkra ni nti yati abru na wu ebi anko ba no onye adwuma de ya na nka nkra ni nti ja hu sa me se ma mo husu no nyesa nkra ni nti wonye hwe obetete apansam winya me wigi ya me toye 5 years ni am da su play egu mitisi beto bi no abrem because you don't have the money. You'll be waiting for a man to buy for you because you don't work. Till granity, you are there. But when you're well equipped and you can, take good care of yourself and your kids, what do you mean, many baby? When many baby, you can crowd be trust. Now why you would do? It's me. Say me do kejetia. Mamma no good job. Leave me a man and a good job no more eduman. Me feel you almost a young former. A young former munjimutu. Katie a former munjimutu. A tonsu for. Me mamma mo good job mamma did. We rat on so market and a mammy. Katie and a mammy, me share mouse no. No mugu good job mu diaconia ba mema. No me feel it. One more force to go and sasso. No mugu kwa no home. Sir. Na mishaba could be no more point. No ba premp assembly was so between the capo. Monsieur Bose again. Nancy so. Ujina first line hono ma. First goodness, I will say the Nancy proto. No. We juma dinner or buy your juma dinner. What it? Premier income 0202668461. Papa Sasuraku Srada on what to say and pay me chow. Abam way, macho. What to say? And I am so catch on what to say. What I know so more call our line so the morning kwasi ebomu bromance. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Prophet Martin, happy new month. What to say?
Yes, you know, Bible about farm of friend. Yeah, oh, yes, but it's also my idea. Oh, Friday in the young. I'll be a young. Oh, now I'm going to become Dr. Bako, Pastor, Dr. Adomako. Obapa, you make can say, yes, the other got a memory in answer. No, queer, so Bob shall know about door, open no crack. You say, what me so they account for the polygamy in your bonnet. Yeah, it is all kind of question if I am not a yes, it will be deemed to a many panel.
Oh.
So, this is a guy you do. San wow. Because I know meeting us out. The median to the Mutrans Union.
Okay.
Don't know what on purple for. Let me hear out.
Nami shout so Prophet Martin Adam Kwame, happy new month to all of you. Miss Wazan's mama mama, happy new month to all of you. Nami fire shopping or something rough for you. Hey, my bush your farm over show you so. Nami Samawate, Murakama son no prof when this is when people for Nami Shrama much sorry in that form. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, super darling lady. How are you? Nyango Padaroma, Minya Yiti wa no pay.
Obi did a super custom. Oh, you're one. I said, yeah, me understand. Not sure my wish for you now, look for her and a yaw on an even hour. If you know, yeah, make a say. Oh, in Jana Chidi, I have a pleasure for the on an on Jana Chidi, Kaka. If I trust a one. So far as I want to over in the moon, only an today, as I yaw and a bedroom.
Nami shop papa, so be the Tino, Muguswa, or Mocasam. Ah, Jenna, yet a sad. Say, Mamma, Donna sound. Mamma says, here the Adjini and Monamo, son and Mamma studio, my dinner money and Namo, Cosi and Cosi Quadam Quada. And no don't know be. And can I mamma no more multimitten 30 years, 40 years, 50, no more bonko granamara. Chene. Hello, good morning. Hello. 020266.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Wadaroma, Odini baby, our friend is free.
Diana, radio near them and you. Diana, Kojina, you. Mastomo, Atanti, the pride. Diana, move any edge of power you want it. Diana, and when you say, William, I'm going to tell them, I'm in here, the poor mine. One okay, and not the what to do. I'm in here, a coach. Also, the quiet, I'm fine with you. Na kakra meka nyina se nyina fa se da ma twedi ampopam so he somebody passing and dying usumi duba apon awade e bi ni nje de awade ase da kakra meka nyina se da me nua be ma na ti ne ho ya papa nti am nua ba bi ka be kasa se de be ma bi bia and dying ti obi nyina se da be ma bia wo mu kwa se o wane de okay and dem yen hwe nso ba wo ye be ma na o wale ya kana kora kire oba se oba ba wale nya buchi na ope na ekwo na na te wo be so da kan kwete mo wayire oba ope wa wo wayire kura fa na de o ngra te wo member ni bi kan kura ene pro member ni se be mudi ntina ama akoko we nyira be kada kan kwete mo wayire o ga na ha de oba fa bi ti wa ko ri na na abo oba no e ma ne ko ntine ka ne nka ya na ne se odo na o na odo ntina o be fa ko mfa to wayire nti be ma ne se wa kan kwete o nya mama ba mo ye dipa for ni nti na ye bi na me yu sa mo kan ko nkire ma ne e nto mo dan ni nya me gba da
si pa bia na ba ya mo kan ko eche me fa cause be mi no bi na ye close your lines no Miracle Son or your Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the National Democratic Congress. I'm your focus here NDC so and I would oh no so Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the New Patriotic Party. I'm your focus here MPP or my crado. Last call I'm Brian na era pay up hello, good morning.
Good morning.
My darling, Wadaroma, would you baby our friend be free?
But I can Madi.
All right. Ore you see one okay.
Oh, Mr. Kaka, more can say. Nowadays, no, them and I am about to deny and kind of. I don't know if we done the past or two. It's no sending a mamma no Kenya no power the end and color. Don't forget to know, don't Anthony Boss and the papa. On to Binyano better not in my mother.
One is Shamwati, Nami, shop, papa, oh baby, I will be. I'll still give another chance. Last caller, Emra, I mean, shop, papa, a man who ebi mu ye sweet, oh, ebi mu ye sweet, ebi mu so no. Last caller, bra. Last caller, hello, good morning. Hello. Okay.
Good morning, Diane.
Hi. Hey, Kila Kumasi.
Diane Baku.
Kila Mpacho, happy new month. Enkoma wate.
Diane Enkoma so only what we see.
Amen.
Na ensan Enkoma me papa, a girl prophet, and then many na.
Yeah.
Diane, really a time now coming on back to the chance of meeting the contact. Diane, if you are wrong, a man finds you with the say. Member be any while within this year of the kind of fragile. It may propel by a country for any line. Like you could turn to right or ban. So about crowd, all kinds of mammy, be with a valanda. I bet you know what now, or ban and ideas of the TSC amount. Then I remember told me, say something she and something to which a man say you will boutique over do. I have friend I balloon boutique. I just all could jam in the customer. Not the battery much, let's say, for what did I and one and number catch them by. Not the end, I was being the anam to me a day. Eddie. Or bad bit of it, when you na, do me in a crowd help to say. I very boutique now, here for Crana, do me in a crowd how woman. And see, you've been a man at no only net check across the we don't kind of crew. We can ask you boutique now. And I mean, who may be on boutique you. Then, a man finds you, which was a bear, my dear. We went to mean kind of crunch. Then, so now, so on the net, that's what me up. No one. None and I can't say the way of the challenge to Diane. And you can't tell me, mamma.
But not to the extent
but
anyway, Killer, made us to me if I could be a bim, no crate. Killer, no crate. Say a man is mobile line, but not to the extent to say, Wabewaro. As a husband, no. When your boyfriend, there's sometimes, lady be our guy be sure, guy no force, let me money. Na me turn on idea, me that come corner na bray. What would you or say, hey, Diane? Na mo I be a mangy, na me school. Me call me bray who forced or ye entire mammy. As that, mamma, too more do you know? Oh, brother, now, cause I feel my bazaar. Ah, force na room. Katia. Me when it different from one. I'm surprised. Bobby, my body. I said, Emma Timothy, I'm then, brother, or says, girl, I'll be chema, many Joe, woman, what cassa, what's my say. Internet, and she shall brand a boon so pobia, and you me do I'm a chance to be in Tyrene Mutemina, or Yiba could be an woman, no can't send it to Yiba could be. Now I'm sitting as was Lady Meshia, maybe I saw what's that to which then baby our a fade. Me pese me ba be hwe wa game pese me ko game pese me ba ono se nya baby o kire me atonso na oti o ba baby e fie na o kire ne se oti mu no se nya ho na otie ti brand say me bi say adam for bi na am pese me ko hu sister na bia me twa no support me yi no ma pra na me kura mpo ase bi so na me to na de keke no se le hwe obeyi ama me e hye me a asem ko land na mko yi tag na mdi bom na enti because na we na audio we ni sika na me fa ma be sole akọ hostel hosa am say no bo adu be mam o si dan me yi no ma pa me ko surprise no me ko fi ayesi ho no ti ne kire me fi a o ye de oti o si okọ ya obo chese o si obie na no to si na ha na oti na ka no kwa kire me be ma ne pe bi ko be yi wa firi ho e de wa pe baby papa de wat na fie ni nya kra so tum se ofere entuo ni bi no e ma yan so di ntro but not when says nipa ne be fo akwa abrochi ka no kre oh see that uja mokwa me no baby kra me kwa ne ho ade de nenso no wo de metasi ama so pe me nko ade a emfa ho I will still marry you so betiasi a ma me nware nko oba no this is all the things you guys should do so oba no mpewa e ma ye kase pewa ho ye pewa nkasa ye kase pewa wo pa dagatem ye no obeda ti ana mpanifo se ma pe nkwasiafo ye nkwasiafo na ye pe ye do no ye ne modu sa na mema no so bi de tie obi betima chesi oba bi betu nso agu no ho a 1 year on died obi chesi wa ko sisi oba ye wo benya wo ti a me nka no kwe ne kwakwa no mewie ma me ma bodo akwa na minti ne sa de odi a bre yi dia ye mini abai ya wa be fa na kotena abuchi no o date o Ghana oba ni date no Ghana e na otu kwan no okonya abai ma one ne wu mienu enya aware e na relationship na anyi nti otu na say me guy na me ne te Ghana e na me feel no nti o start say ofrefre guy no na guy ni say sa nti upe say do so say you worry so why ready there me dem paper ba be dey abe foul no obey the paper aba Ghana abe wa no guy ni Kumasi no ba ndo so te se pass ene Kumasi kro ya from me kotos nkai Kumasi ena wode ne paper no abe ware bra no wode na call London o to ana se bra no ye move so te 10 na no ho se odi man komo Ghana na oba ni so ba Ghana obi bebre ma no hu se wa ware mienu ene mani mienu nyina wo nti ase oti won kakra no de be ma be man so odo gina fa support no o discan ye den e ba Ghana to ba so be hu ye no se sa se me jimi for sa so be ya be me ya da wan ka no crunch ti sa na te de ene me kra so me no wa wo mienu nya hwe me won kire me be filling station o Ghana at the same time me si me fie me la kehwe enti se ne me say me ntan abroche biem kra na me de me krata be ma obi ayadwuma na magye hu sika nti oba ne se watam ne man nan ni nyina aba Ghana e no ko e no se be me na e kwan ni wanim pifi me fie hai na ko sese enkola me nu wo me nti o se me sase enkora ni nti onye den tintontan won hwe ne ma ono oba no so da metimi ahwe me ma na kosi da sebi me wu efise me biebie me nyuma onye den
yo dan ni edika no me chia matiefo ne mahwefo na afie so machia new patriotic party for empanyimfo nyina na afie so eye the incoming presido yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia o town bra wo town no mni ade no se ne sente no aye den achiba bia na afie so eye mi ankasa be kromofo jama se chechwerefo se maka cho se eye bosumi ya 24th year bo ye 26 year boy afford ye den afia for na afia so mention of constituencies so nyina eye adame mendan so no ye ko work my enthusiasm no na was sure and now Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sent na ajibabi doctor wode a bold solution to form ana NDC for epe baby edi wo mo etiri awura na fe match ya mi ankasa menu akamasa ne dan e wa dwuma pa wo ye won se wa dwuma wo ye afidi kesi we so bia hu se dwuma pa ana dan ye wo ni political party bia wo mu de me kra mete ya ne se ye maame akuadonko party na wo ye de ben wo me maame akuadonko so ne na busua ne party fo ni nyina so no me ma wo mo yakọ me ma mo yakọ dan ya me ma mo yakọ
me ya ne se running mate no manji
me ma mo yakọ dan ya eya ade aye asefem kakra so ho se obi kan ye wa kasa oba o se mre bia meka ne se enye meme nyina na obi kan ye sika wo ye nsem so atiase bo hono manyame enam obi so ana obi susu yie die ayede ben aben yie enti senka menua no eye se woka nokure bia ewomu ye debe ade kire se wo nokure on ayese yamanyo se mu ayeye Se oni panyi bi nam na wodi na chi me fa ne se godfather eno no no mi ade a de ohia ne se loyalty eye eki papa wonye wo hu sei eti wo hu se so study a enipa ne bebre ho no ma bo se nipa de waye amanyo sem saa na so so no ebi ade ogina na ogina ebi wo ho no mo ya na ayesi ono ayese wo kwa ha wo ba ha ayese wo keka enipa tiri ya de bebom ti nipa hu saa no ne ade a ho no wa de be wo suro menuan uni bi obeye timi a de ben aboa wo ni problem a wo ye den uko mu nyina na so so no wa mana so ho no ma abefawo ama sebie bu sebie son wo yie die no ye den
obo no poso be nya krata o
sanity e abeba obey said ye wo kan na obi e build a filling station a huge money and afie so long term investment
exactly
ana why de ben why obedi di ho ama na abusua na sefo nyina adidi ho akopim se yesu beba
sanity
enti na me hye me nuan se e fa ba bi no wanye de wanya ade because ni kredie ade a ehia pa yie
okay
na so ne me ka che me nua ba ni nyina ne se ese achia na so emu ye enti mehye no apa ne che obebre etuo nkotwe de de be say bible ni nyina ye de be and onya manika na etuo nkotwe be bia de be etwe
enya wo nkonse wi me maninsa fa
oze
me maninsa ma
ba wanye ni yimu wanye ni
yimu since wa no kan kwa kire me a me on say ema yetimi kwehia emema me kama san mu mi nyina which my be shia when it dan ho then so worry
yes
dan am worry o ba mani je ho won't worry o ba mani je ho okay mate I can decide to choose to work with you
yes
but I know make me adjust to say some mama say be worry me
but
Debbie na say bia na nyame be fa wo so
ama me yie
ama madi yi mpa cha otiate enti ni watu anamo ama waboa me a me say okay sisi me sumi nyo obi obeware me a what should I do
yes
obetima ka cha me say oh Diane since I'm married you obi no obeware wa I will allow you to
ana dan yes dan me told you na sepa na ade ba ko so ba ko so ne say on e ma no so bi wo ho no ma on te say de o say o ma scenario bi o say oba bi a na abranti bi e de be na ni je no ho a wo force line no ni ade ababa wa na ye de be wo so twa ne ntoro
na me ka say nyina
ye twa ntoro de na so no ye say ye nyina na ye ma no kwedi e de be
that's what I'm saying. You see, it doesn't matter. Mabeshana mirror open me. What worry? It's normal. Married men, they friend us all the time.
Yes.
It doesn't mean say a member they always be men. That's what I say. But kind of cray. Obi on kind of crank show. On campus into one was started. Oh, they are men worry, and so what you but you even put now can my worry but me wanna say. Me shena say me intimi I can marry you. Me say worry me because maybe just worry me. Nobody can take care of me, isn't it? Enti di enti na ya na mon kan ko mu ka masa na kwa ba. Ezu.
Eza.
Azana na.
Akatamazuni.
Debi azan.
Ashiwana.
Azan.
Nyami ma botro ate.
Rado. The whole solution man, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Yeah, party papa was a
number 1.
Oh, that's so hot.
Number 8. You're breaking 8. Breaking the 8. You see, 8. You are chatting.
Down. But we are doing.
Mina Diane.
Yaba.
Mecho ene anopai.
Nice.
Eba fide keserusi.
Nice.
Na machia mini budu. Mesini amai. Budo. Mecho anopai. Yes, ejuma pa wodi ba party no. Eye dia wodi be ko opposition.
Kawasa we sure.
Problem ya.
Amu campaign ya to si omu yi.
Say wo akonya say wo be ka dia wo pese wo ka. But after say wo ka wi no. And I be decide say ye do be ko anai do betra. nti saa ne tie nti me de me wa rehemu e wo Ghana for emu say coming December 7 no omo be hwe adwuma pa Mahamadi within that 4 years na omo de man no na omo sa tie ne nkomodi a wodi nkuro wo bosisi efa agenda 133 ne hu ye pre no 24-hour economy policy no ho no me gidi ye say to Ghana's for assume na kawa omakuma so enti ye gidi ye say coming December 7 no ye omo be kwa kosa like etuaba edema the former president, the flag bearer, and the leader of the National Democratic Congress coming December 7.
Okay.
Me chair omo nyina wienu.
Nice one.
Na makọ national executive ni nyina, regional executive, constituency executive, ward executive, branch executive, and a party mpanyifo akuku dam no nyina no. Na ma chair omo nyina. E de Ghana fo a omo su Fred John Dramani Mahama, the youth no Fred John Dramani Mahama no. Omo numu nsupa na ntwen na coming December 7 na de bia ekoso 1-1. Say obetu e de amachine no a men kohwehwe ba bia chine no a otuma chine ni bia na okoje parliamentary ballot paper no so a na wa ye de na wa kotu e de ama parliamentary candidate original mu e de ama NDC in the ticket of Mahama no na o de ama no Machiambe constituency chairman Isa Moro and the parliamentary candidate Honorable Eric Sibe sa nipa mienu we coming December November 17 ye koye ye lunch no ye ko lunch ye campaign no e wo constituency no ye be dane constituency na ni pofro na ya cheo say since 2004 kwada so atin ho afre banteman ho no emputu a ye friend emputu no abo kwada so for as a Johnson abo akukọ eye NDC for enedwene kwada so man ho nti yenti na ye ka se kwada so for ehwe nyama NDC aye wo kwada so abaso empetu atu no na omutimi ye de eto aba efama Honorable Eric Sibe na wakọ parliament na wakọ shemra na wa premputu e de aba kwada so na kwada so afa ne to mapa efra Diane asema wo de etu dwai you see this is the high time or say kanokure echire ye ho good. It's like I say yeah ankasa ye no hu na esi asese it is not sama me na oka asem no odi asem de beto a say treat ni ema no say one bema bi awo mienu two ewo ho enye sa e dey na see na mo omugyae say honor wanka very good it shows say there is something behind. Yes. Oh, me, I don't disagree with that. Very good. And no, me chine say, mienu na okura before be ware we no. E die na si ye. Emma almost honest nipa no ejaye.
I don't think it's
very good. That is what I'm saying. Say, a part of life.
Okay.
It is part of life. Upe ewo ho. But you see, because we don't accept the polygamy, and then the higher in it.
It's not polygamy acceptable. What is she saying?
Very good.
Oh, Bemano, what's a Ghana? Oh, never know the tabuchi.
Yes.
And the found was saying, "What will be and I will and that's why we put now, Baba worry me. I don't frown. But tell me the truth that you have wives too. Bemano, you know me and Ghana. One can't say. Lady no or any girlfriend Ghana and only 2 pine to call no so only will be kushia and or me but enya worry
okay
and also but now or started on any ex-boyfriend now Ujani Ghana so mira say what worry and also me say that me so me worry you by mumba buchi no be out too by nya worry let him person be foul and I watch penny more bana be foul I don't kwa butri okapreni afei na wo no wa starting na wo no wo hwa wo man wo yire no mienu na wo Ghana no and oba na hu that's where the problem is.
That is where the problem is. Okay. But my problem let me say kotodwe ne boje.
Okay.
You see at some way it doesn't only happen to ladies or both side.
Okay.
Oba bebre a disappointed bema wa be fa na akwa abruchi wa kwaja no ho. Okay.
Sure.
Enti de me pa akire ne say anka ye society ye custom and tradition no eji polygamy tumu a o ware kura na se ukosere oba foforo pe a oti se wa ware we ya aware ni aware fokra na oba de oba accept ba esa ne se ye nje sa anyama na tum ye nsori mu a ye kɔ ne nyina no omutu mma no fu se obi ware a men di ne chi ene sa anyama the moment daran mami ayu kra eye sample the way I want say se me hia wo na me ye ma aju say okay oba fefefe me kwa kwose ne pe se the moment I make catch ne say me ware ma ware kim agu there is nothing I can do to restore those trust. Enti se me don 1,000 times kura na oba no kura na 1% kura won no me because what say my head ma ware enu na lead to ntro no so you need to what lie to get the person me and me wa high
and after that
oh after that the embassy no na asi the AC ni say yeah me use motorbike e dey me dey go buy me ma bi fa car pragia kura keke obeji Miguel afri me nsem sisi miss anyabotre ase nyama bi ho na mu ma no ma treat no it's like mu na mu ye angel ninye sa enukure na e ba akopɛ me say bema obeji like bema bi the car sisi here the only thing about obetra front na o moto ya da be na obetra moto susu akobo
what is front
enti say okura obeye na like na otina kema obi ahu no ogina kwanje kura card na pakisi wo nim say ono na wo sisi na cars na bebebe aba ne glasses na tente nti wo hu say obi shim onti oti ho na omudi nkomo pepepe obu say no say na danfo enti the woman say oba no ohunu say it is normal it is part of life sa na wiase ye de esitie enti say bema no etwa ntro kire no na wo ye da do bema no metimi agi ade say ope no but bema no suro say so oka no kura ni kire na obe de obe na minim say sa ma me ni kura oka asem ni say ka bema no ka ni ka kire that time ni say o yire mienu a o fa the da enti I was say what tantro enti one fan in normal way so
all
that at the end
right.
of the day you able moving forward
Sweetheart, yes, say fan on normal way ni na you moving forward but it's not easy. Well, say that come say o catch them me say what you cry na I don't think I'll follow you.
that is it
Maybe fuck abusha ko
e ba ko yede
any ware you na me because me say definitely no we will be there enti me ma na me fan ko but all the same minimum bia na oyire but na ex no fi say boy no ho kire no Ghana into oboa no na ga na okumanse na ga na efitani onu obi awutu ba ne ex a ono so be ma na okota be ma wa buchi no be fa ni free Ghana e de ne koye ware de ne koye no and I'll say me ex no man yet do my worry ba I want to help him and girl no e de ne krata e be worry ne ex boyfriend and oyi fitani you know e de ne ko abuchi ama boy no wo sisi a e wa abuchi what I say fitani no worry o Ghana and obi awo e na ex no so be ma na if you abuchi be worry no so ne ni kuro net e na ode ne paper be worry ne ex no but omo different places so brana be bo bra and also we have good people
na won take Ghana ha na yonkronfo be break assembly sikuru ma me pese me body e o fide kesi we so na bema na traga o to nyum ni sa nyama bema ne boaboa ne sa na bema ne ko organize show e wo UK e de ma no o ko show ne so na ko ye de e ko e ka le book
well yeah share stories making headlines today and now 70 AM e news so e news ntina ya mo enka no pre na me kwampo na mte ya me fa me do kwa kwere sabre ma shana na do ya mtie na me be fa kwa kwere ma papa tina na di wi a na tina na bo bra na me do kwa bucha kwa kwere o ka si
ye be gusu atwa ntoro ne sa
ti mo twa ntoro so wo jamo
o jamo ye be nya foforo
mo mu ye dia mo su mu nya e enye hwe
oba bia ne hu efa bia no ye ntoro da ye de wini no oba bia ne hu efa bia
okay so I
don't know
Nana Akufo-Addo, the president of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Bakupe, Nana Shemeni, I see Nana say, Sebi son Sebi Nyado, no, abaye babetwe, dear Obedun Kunimbiano, obe hand you over a day amano, and you see, you know, Ubia winning or so in a mempene, and a mempene, and a mempene. Come on, son, Nana Kasa. What's wrong? You don't believe what Nana said?
Nanado, and a cast asebo na nipa fufu.
Nanado, you heard me.
Nanado.
The president.
Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo, His Excellency.
His Excellency. And Akasa, you have a problem with that?
The leader of the country. Or no? And the Kasa Asemui. I'm surprised.
I didn't call Obi when
yes, it tells you that Omubi bia omuye bia no atunsium. The word atunsium no. E koma omo.
Do you understand what I just said?
Oh, me say, me ba. Enye the same Akufo-Addo ya. Ejina simpiesu. E ka kire ye during time Baumia e wini primaries ni wi no na ma be de o ma ba yina kire amansa no. E na o ka kire I will do everything within my capacity to hand power to Baumia. Enye onwa.
Enti.
Ananye onwa.
Ana sasa na yeboni.
Onu so enye onwa the same His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo. E ka kire ye say o hand power pa ma obi foforo. Want me nye de want me ehwe ka o man so yi enti ji se Baumia e na o de ne bibia be de oh me ba ni jabi na o be kire me how I make am asem
there be said your kind or some correct ones
oh nya botre me time ma me flow la that oh yes I dey
Mami correct. I supposed to correct you before you move on.
Oh, brother, how they correct you? So far as you are a teacher, how they correct you? How they correct you? Correct you.
Or say, a bayan the day. Sebi a son sebi nyado. Obe handi over. Ediama obia. Tell you a bayan the day. What I say? So obe handi over. Ediama obia. Obe timi atwa ne legacy. That's what I say.
Legacy, Papa Bay. Akufo-Addo says Fourth Republic, the useless government ever. Aye. Bisa me say useless. I mean, didn't tell. Only government and MPP government. Say Fourth Republic, MPP government and Ghana for our Kruma. MPP government and Ghana for our Kruma. And me say Akufo-Addo, I catch it. Say all hand the power over to anybody apart from Baumia. He said it. Everybody hear it.
We don't want to.
We heard all this. We saw it.
He didn't say all handy mobia apart from Baumia.
I'm saying so. Does the country belong to him?
And then me say the Mema aduma baby because me who say aduma yama mi anke baby do
52 million US dollars swimming pool no more. Oh, what you see? Oh, hammy. Oh, make
say pano. His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama. I can say say pagana for to Obama me. I'm a bear man penny. A bear with the past says Sebius no Sebian. Yera General Mosquito and then cat. Midime Chibejana. No, I come on.
I got a phone at the 2 million mano. And you only pay.
I can afford it to me, His Excellency Baumia. Not say, Sebius on Sebian. Nanado Casse, a benny da, a bonny.
A bonny. Ghana for the Tuaba. Ghana for the 2 Michelle Bisa. And you own the 2 Michelle was a Ghana for the day at Tuaba. Every December 7 election year, Biano, a Ghana for and a Cosa like Etwaba, Emma President and a member of Parliament. Yeni Kroma and a Kumau. Branchampo, Epogina CPS, so I can say, yeah, hand over power to anybody. Nukrana yan can Ukraine free. A Kruma Nukra boy, it is a Joshua Abuako. Yetimin Kanukrano, and MPP Abino, and MPP government, and MPP party, Omune Patia, Omo Tumise Obiana, and MPP for Omoye, Ghana Force Obiana. We should tell them the truth. This is the high time to tell them the truth because they know that they have woefully failed Ghanaians. They don't have any respect. No mujina platforms here. Senya yampia, eya temdidia, senya temdidia, eya say. You see what I'm telling you, say, Diane. Nanado does not have any capacity, any power to say, obey any day. Say obey the obey handy power over to what? Ebia baubia. Now I continue the legacy. Poor legacy, stealing, grabbing, state capture, any corruption here and there. No, and no about Baumia to say, hey, Ampa. Also, Baumia catcher, you say it is possible of implementation of 24-hour economy. It is possible that the creation of Human Development Bank, it is possible. It is possible that John Dramani Mahama become a next president again. Everything that NDC said, Baumia said it is possible. And nothing that coming December. Yes, because it is possible for Ghanaians to enjoy the 24-hour economy. It is possible for the Women Development Bank to be established by what? Jenana Opoku Ajemai. It is possible. Word it is possible, it is English word. So it is part of the dictionary. It's the Oxford dictionary. When you go into, you get the meaning.
If Dr. Maumia didn't use the word possible, wouldn't you have?
But he chose first. They chose breaking the 8, and they have gotten the 8. Now they said it is possible. It is possible for John Dramani Mahama to become the next president of the Republic of Ghana. Okay, so we are telling you, sir, they don't have anything. But inshallah, God being so good, December 7, John Dramani Mahama will win this election. I am telling you for a fact, whether you like it or not, mark it on the wall where the rain will not touch it. You ever say 3.5? And a Mahama here, and you or Kuruma. Shenyama Mahama here. Second interchange, Mahama Nessie. Crying. What did I say? What do you call it? E-blocks across Ghana. Implementation of what? Progressively free education. No. And what Ghana constitution? Dan, what do you mean there? Because the MPP party boycotted. What do you call it? The implementation of 1992 constitution. They do not believe anything that is part of any provision that is in the constitution. So every time that anything come out from the 1992 constitution or the constitution of Ghana, they quickly run toward the Supreme Court for interpretation. Because if you understand the concept of what the articles, you will not need interpretation. But because they were not there, they didn't participate for the implementation, they always need interpretation. That is why we are telling them, sir, no matter what you do, this time around, their cup has been full. So definitely they will go home. He told us that he is a driver's mate. He does not have any capacity to do anything. So the two hands are tied behind. And the same person is telling us that he has implemented 33 policies. Which capacity, which autonomy, which authority that is have to implement those kind of policies? He does not have anything. He is currently the head of economic management team. Okay. He does now why our city has moved from 4 city to now 16 city. So why people come that one it's not a question now. I think you should we have been there. We have been there before. We have been there before. And, we were able to do. So it was 1 cedi to dollar. Meba. Oh yes, I did now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, kulumio. And then can my charging free me. This is my battery no I 75. I can't 5 minutes to. Oh the become. For 5 minutes now over. Then say oh kasa nyina no. I have the right to come in. Obi I have the right to come in. Listen. Yeah. Person will turn on party ni. Et me bisa question ya calm down. Na turn party me bisa say. Say what say. Aban ya tiswe. Omo ma dollar ni cost see the depreciation whatever see dollar rate blah 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 we know. So now to boss say you are too handsome to get attack. Me say Samoba power nyame adom. Na Ghana for to aba. E dey my excellency former president of the Republic of Ghana mo ba. See no what be say? Diane. Dollar no ku 4 time na say. Na 1 cedi to $1. Is that so? Yeah, but from 8 years, they send a car. You the 3 cedi per any car. What does it say? It tells you the manager, the good manager of economy, the good manager of what the country. Now, from 2016, you free abamuna kufa do beje 2000. You sworn 7 January 2017. Abepin umu the say any car. If the fundamentals are weak, the exchange will expose you. Inflation rate, how was it? Fuel price, how was it? You see, it is a high time we let the MPP and like Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo and Bawumia know the truth. From 1993, I'm a payment name. There is no way NDC come to power and what with lies. Kufa Bakroma have a chance to be bregu rollers. And o can send be brave. O free happy buy no. And our besisa ye CD no. Or who send him go say yaka no. And our besisa CD no to $1 10,000 to 1 CD. And no yeah the boss manani our chrome has a kufon ayade. Every time Akufo-Addo fail on certain things or refer omu to what Akufo-Addo. If you don't have anything that way you use your father's property to what boost off. Bawumia and Akufo-Addo should tell us that since 2017 up to today what they have done. They have not done anything. A chromo ha a praise it a praise papa be. Yeah papa. We when Kwame Nkrumah brought free education. When Kwame Nkrumah brought free education. I MPP before the council here. It is the MPP people that cancelled the free education that was what implemented in North. And I may say because they don't believe in because they don't believe in it, no, they cancel it. And Rollins in SRD free education, Baba. Ghana. Primary. No, it was free. Me say, Rollins and they buy it. Whether you like it or not, Rollins and they buy it.
So even if it's not true, I should like it.
If it's what is not true? What have I said on this? What have NDC has said in this platform and you have accepted it before?
Oh, really?
Yes.
I did not accept it.
You don't accept it. If you are, that is why you asked me a question that what you see when we said 1,000 things and we made one mistake, you rather project the mistake that I've made. We are human beings. When we are talking, mistakes comes, but at the end of the day, the mistake shouldn't cover the what the truth. So that is our normal life has been in Ghana since independence. Now, Okafuel Asema, look at what they have done. When you talk about the city depreciation, look at what they have done. You publishing news say Mahama has what got bribe corruption of what a fourth expedition. Mahama didn't find a young for the but Mahama says you talk about the prosperity word we judge you. And then Mahama nyame apa MPP way Akufo-Addo Bawumia Ehuntuma. They don't know what they are doing now. Obu campaign at Tunsium, they know that Bawumia will lose massively this election. He does not the policy ben Odeba Ghana. She say policy ben in Odeba. Everything that you hear, it is what? It is possible. I just a 24-hour economy is possible. 24-hour economy. Bawumia himself. When he was in abroad schooling, he participated in what? That 24-hour economy. That is the reason why he went to school in the morning and come afternoon to what? To do taxi. On one car. What did I say? So it tells you the competent Mahama administration aye nyama bebre eche Bawumia. Free education na oka wansemi. Free education na oka wansemi. Yeah, implemented 2015 progressively free education. That is what the Constitution of Ghana says that we should do. But when Akufo-Addo buy no, I didn't obey. Also by progressive no. Was starting from Form 1, Form 2, Form 3. That time no more Form 3 no more. Form 2 no F4 Form 3, Form 3 for no echo. And send our bedu ho. Is not progressively. Oba no or promises of 350 senior high school. Say now see it. Even the one that Mahama started the was abandoned because says yeah Mahama GD to was abandoned. Say we are after the military hospital. Enu na aka hoyi. Ya bibia wumbi. Say oba pet generator atu ho na ya adwuma no. And then on pese oba ye. And I can say it's oba corner. Also oba hand the power over to who? You are handing the power over to what? Over to John Dramani Mahama. If the Ghanaian voted for Mahama coming December 7, right, the EC does not have any capacity to declare Mahama what? Winner.
Daya. Me that's it. Me nua kamasan.
You the for time na mami.
any abre no muni ade a wokeka mu nyina no muni ade na ho bibi papa bia yewura kamasan na de be eka ho asem ene yewura kamasan ma betena ha no mo ebeka say His Excellency the incoming president SMC Jata yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the bold solution man. It is possible.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is possible, no?
Yes, it is possible. Yeah. Na NDC for ni mu say entimi na yie. NDC for a year 2012 about 2013 yewura dodankwa Akufo-Addo ni MPP aban ye bo ho dawro say ye ba ye the free SHS beba. Na NDC for say enye yie ehun samamo anu omo bo anu omo kase eye 419 omo organize a lot of press conference media houses ewo the whole Ghana anu mu nyina say enye yie eye na da ni ana yewura dodankwa Akufo-Addo eni MPP aban eka nanso so ya ba ban mu no ade esi enye yie no aye yie ye no ti na yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say it is possible. She dum so aye ko mu no ni ade ana Ghana fo bebre ni mu se MPP aban ba ebia ye be ko dum so no yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ka say it is possible and ye da kane mu efie pole enwotwidi opia wono ababedi aban da a wono yato abagana manyina nya agidie woni mu ese wo ni professor Atamels ebetena abanwa no so na fe Ghana fo nya agidie ewo mu so sa to abade ma wo wantimi anya hwe no ene wo sase ye nto abama obiem policy ben na wo di atudwa policy ben na NDC ankasa paano atimi adi aba
24 economy
pacho meba say ye bo yewura eye Jelly John Lawrence say wo hwe ye local government the strengthening paano ni ade a eye yewura eye Lawrence na de ye de be e ba ya wo boni din a utim say district and local government no ni ade eye wo hwe yewura J4 nana mechia wa no pay odi awuo Kufuor yes Kufuor metro mass transport and the whole way interchanges and the whole way what's our boy yewura J Kufuor no muni ade a wo se e man ko no mo ko free tenio e man ye de ben e free national health insurance minuanu mu asebia bu sebia son na operation me na san waka no wasi operation ye wo mo no ni ade nyina emema sebia bu sebia son no mo chi no mo ye yi ni free obo ni dia yesi yewura J Kufuor Adudankwa Akufo-Addo so eba ye yesi free SHS obo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia yento abama ne da Bawumia ni ti ma balo people so da obo ni dia do bia kan say Mr. Drums obo ni dia obia say Mr.
digitalization
yes obo ni dia on si yi pharmacy ni obo ni din no ni ade a agenda 111 ni na mi bisa yewura eye John Dramani Mahama say policy ben and obaye utimi di buy do di beka ni say dum so what ba betina ha no mo ba beka
so what's it
debi danya said yeah minister said yeah kamasan eba ya wo tum futuro digu amafo eni Ghana fo eni ate ene me ne okasai mi akasa mi kromu jama se chichwere emofra no mo no ntimi ma practicality
Emofra ne wa hono mo na ebi entimi emma eye opoku ware. Emofra mo hono mo na ebi entimi ma Louis St. Monica's enne emofra ni nyina no anabi esoso enya suku akese mu a mo hye. Ni nyina ye adodankwa akufo ado ne MPP aban. Enne wo ba betena hono mo akase NDC ene yewura ye kan say Mahama ana Ghana fo sam Ghana fo say ye nyare agrefie Ghana fo say wo na wo ka kire ye say wo ye wodamfunu wo nturo sekan Ghana fo say wo ana wo ma adwuma nyina ese ye Ghana fo ese wo ana ye yankase habo Wodi akosi awowa 35 good years Ghana for say wo mpe Ghana for say wo hia the visionary leader eye yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia SMC Jata oboni di ana ne sentinel jibabia Dr. Okan Woyo enne me ne wo kasai Dr. Mayati asese on the 7th December auto abamana tax waiver wose ene woto aba de man no miade a minuano mu a motete hahanuro obesi plant kese de amamu na afin so asam wo mo incentives a wo mo de beye wo mo adwuma na afin so after ababesi Ghana hanom no munro nyina so akọ amanone amasika abamu we need the visionary leader yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and say yenuanom ma a wo mo ye boga small scale and medium enterprises no me ade ye ba oba be pay bank e di amamu yes SMS SME banks
we must say almost
there be omuno baby a ye manifesto tie ni o ana omo ye de be person omo ye but then yes because obi a wo no wo opposition a ye say obi a o power na dey na vision bans and awatimi aye wo hwe e bi ti say minuanom enufo ya meka yi
say be a
hebafo no NDC manifesto pie ni ono ma waba ana afel so aban we say ni aban a oba ya we de be obo a wo mo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ba wo ni wo mu nyina ye de be ehia wo se waba ikura no wo ni wo mu say ba bi hie bi yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne say oba or the tax amnesty wo de ba Ghana for say ye hia enkokobuo babia ye duru no Ghana for say ye hia enkokobuo Ghana for say ye nuama no mo wo makosuku mi nuanom a mo SS nom ni ade mi nuanom a mo wi ateshel e ma no a wo mo ahoofefo a wo makosuku no omo si wo mu hia hookup licenses tenie Ghana for say ye mpesa Ghana for say omo hia visionary leader to say yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a wo ba na fe waba betua adwuma pa yewura adodan kwa akufado any MPP aban ayeso yenuti ana yewura eye adodan kwa akufado say so beka ya on 208 senka MPP etwa amamu no so awo anka Ghana ko nanim efi say NDC bamre bia na ote Ghana ekọ akire yenuti na adodan kwa akufado kan say ebeye pa say wodi amamuo no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebeba betua na amamuo so ana afio so no adodan kwa akufado eso ese Ghana fo ye ne to aba tumi kase ni kuraye ye no ti se ye to aba ni bia obi bia why the be wafa no obe hand over with peacefully ye mpe basa ye no ti ye ka kire NDC fo menu akamasan hwe onwu se enura wo mu no epese wo mu de basa ye basa wo beka ya who send your vigilante groups. Na ye can say a tutra sem nomini adia ne honomu, but on say ye debe ye bandesa a tutra SM nomini ade. Me can we say ama Ghana for ne ma hwefu nyina ate. We say ada da hanumwe the NDC inauguration ceremony of Ashanti Azoka Boys. Omo elanche no da bay. Enra ewo abu Kunkoti Park onomu anomu ye. So kai Azoka Boys no mi ade. Samrantie no na omo de ya na omo ayese omo de be de. Etutura sem ko a. Ba me kai wo mu se wo mu ebe kai a at 999. Emra e wo honomu no. Yempe etutura sem bia. Said ye be ya yasum bia iwu mu no. Ye be de be nya. Enti se mo starte na mu recruitu amanfo se omunfa basa ye emra wo mamu anomu a the security services
so one can say specifically as Azoka Boys yo omoni omo di akwani abai no nche say you know omo prepare omo so omo fa basa ye
na basa ye nyina na efi fafo enye sa Azoka Boys enti dey make can say it's a signal.
Okay.
It is security service. It may ma IGP I de bay aswati.
Okay.
IGP me pacho tien pa ye. Ese wo ma start e o mo pese o mo ye de bay. Etete sa Atlantic groups no. Ye no ti onye de bo ma nani enko wono mo. Ana afi so no. O se ba beka eye corruption asemo ye no ni ade asemo ye di ama akura no wo hwe na wo ai de be waka ba wona ba corruption sem no oni refi se bas branding no ni ade nyina ogu afi bas branding mo ye de be mo ye sika chenchirenche amaslo eye mi nuano mo kantamantofo wo mu adwahye na wo ababa wa wo da no yesi fa sika koma wo ma wo se wo je de bay sika no wo dia pa wo sidem o ba beka NDC for wo man yi sede modi wo man yi ko mu emebunu ene awofo a sebe wo mu nya sika mpo ana no wo modi wo mu ma atimi akọ school ene kola na atimi enya education wo se ba beka se policy bia ni wono ma yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia atimi di aba ene me kai wo momo ba ya no ni ade no na menuanu mo pawo paafo na mo ye de be mo je wo mo tax pawo paafo nam yikrom no ni ade anu ma yere wo mo wo si twa you tax wanya yipebo se na beat ni suo ene ye ba ya no ni ayi menuanu pawo paafo me chia mu nyina sesei ene wo mu nyina soso no ye omu enye de be ye nye wo mo tax bia afin so kra no yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so access training center edi ama wo mo ye hwe mabuna wayi so ye de e fa wo mo adwumam eye yi pharmacy ene wo ko hospital no ni ade a dan a se aha ana wo ko hospital no ni ade a ye bo wudi se wo folder no bibia wo be ko ba bia Ghana ha ba bia no betimi access.
Okay.
First no ni ade say wo national health insurance wu nom ni aya you say wo call health insurance officer who be dealer so sa akopem say
Great.
ye be de be ye be renew and then wo phone so no wa renew usika say wo nua be ma bia send usika free am no ni sisi ya nom ni ade a dan wo betimi ayi first no wo call Western Union no wa kwa kodi la so na wo refi kra pokra say number na ya fe na be friend no bra me pacho number no kra na yesey sabre no bo hu se na obi kra obi ate number no kra na odi akwakoyi enne security service enne yewura adodan kwakufu ado any MPP aban hwe equipment say dia ma security service for eye meme da ya uhu eye akonfo a wo mu de be yes adabraka no nyade ohun se enam security apparatus e wo no ni ade ntino ohun se den sisi etimi a capture wo mu nyina we training dia ekura yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia yenuti mechiefo ne mahwefo mesem apamoche obebre se
on the 7th December okoto waba Michelle order number 1 doctor nie empuntuo nie doctor nie the bow solution nie enkoto waba ema obi a wono obaye wantimi anfa bibi papa bia ama ene wo kamasan kwada so onam ho no wo asphalt ene na nam ho eye ewo ho no mu eho nyina na emfutuo ye no ti dia meka nyina ne se Ghana
wo ho ne asphalt ama
wo ya ye asphalt eho no mu me nam ho no mu nyina ho nyina na me de be krom ase mu ni ayi nyina ye asphalt enu a me
kamasan eho no ti
eho no wo
and I said what do
no enye adwuma pa ya sabe ni nyina na wo no ma
NDC abasu
why NDC dia de no be
time John Dramani Mahama SKJ
eho no mu nyina na tutu check Kumasi International Airport pre international airport
okay
check uko RCC anoma port daya ya dia gu ono district
enye sa airport run about dey send e tutu apansam no omunye ni yi
airport run about yeah na wonim hwe NDC time no me ade sabre no minister tie sabre no minister sabre no na me nua Collins o so amankwa Collins na ye MP me say eho no mu futuro ensuo tonom ni ade Collins eje ye the then minister ye can say
I know de be ye
anu odini ba ho no wo ye pe run about one no ye bu so ye ba ye before asale ato aba
all right come on
yes enu na me kire wa say I say ya anye hwe anye bia no terminal 3 ene terminal 2 John Dramani Mahama ene ye Kumasi International Airport phase 1 Mahama
moya ne fiance anu manum no
malenkasa
moya ne fiance anu manum no ene ko ne ko hwe dabi dan ya mami ka kire no no
so wonya rebata no ya mpese show ne kama mpacho
dabi ebu onu ma wo tantro
that is why you are here.
Osa can simply say bad branding is anyamanyama no action be na Mahama take against that particular person.
What did he
me mami ativo.
Nso ye dey.
What Jesus can every name esa yinedi.
Okay.
What they say? Bad branding asema omuka no. Bas me say corruption say corruption the approach would they address the issue no and I tell so fight it. Since Akufo-Addo ever buy more since 2017, why now Akufo-Addo attimia prosecute in terms of corruption allegation and corruption related matters? One prosecute will be but a persecution and a way there oh yeah. Okay, na say ya omude atofo se kojina what do you call it court ekosi say omu ye hwe nipa wokura brand envelope cash koku fripo boate the cobra fripo boate onu an ka kire omu se eye MPP gurus no ene ye galamsin e dey na omutimi ye fa ho o ma anye hwe anye de amfa ho o say national health insurance I feel the say national health insurance when the health insurance national health insurance Mumu implementing a mutual health insurance. A mutual.
So that health insurance that one person just say. My president
very good. Not true. Very good. And I say, or mutual health insurance. And I buy ye the national health insurance. That is it. That is it. And you buy the country say, mumu transaction. Poor people too. There is no need for taxing them. Enya ba umia de kai afi de den na ba umia be introducing e-levy tasi momo. You see these people they are double standard. They don't know what they are saying. Eti de ye pa kire they say John Dramani Mahama is the only option for Ghanaians. He is the hope for Ghanaians. Onu kura na betimi afa Ghana dia kwa abortion asase so nti coming December year to afa ma no atimi abe de betimi aye bibia. These MPP people they have nothing for Ghanaians. They have nothing for Ghanaians.
My next topic so na electoral commission so akasana in fact according to the EC it is a lie for anyone to actually suggest that okay, let me put it this way: it is a lie for anyone to suggest, let alone claim that it is what happening. What is happening? Dr. A. Bosman Asari, Deputy Chairperson at the EC, on Friday made this, Jamiel while on the media tour of printing houses engaged to print ballots for the 2024 general election. He says that he explained that per the ballot statistics shared with the political parties and candidates, obiara ni hɔ nom a ɔde ballot ɔbɛprinte foforɔ ɛde akɔ deɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔde kɔ no ɛno ara na ɔde bɛkɔ wate aseɛ ɔmfa bi nka ho ɛna onye bi mfirim. So all the party agents, polling agents, they should open their eyes, and after say ato abenewi so ɔmo hɔ na ɔmo kan because ɔmo na ɔmo bɛsan ana meboa ansa na yɛkenkan nti saa rodo rada na asɛ sɛ ne yɛka ne sɛ ne nam mfra mom sɛ na yɛsi bɛprinte ballot papers for their account no era bossman say it is a lie. Yɛntie wei 10 minutes ana yeah
lion
yɛnkɔ
yo mina Diane hwɛ MPP on ɛtɔ da bi a sɛ ɔmo kasa na mewura ho ɛma Ghana
no wei nye MPP ne kasa o isi ne kasa
when na appointed EC
na isi what are you saying?
Who appointed EC? Doing everything for Baumia to win this election.
See that.
Mami nchire wade be dey tia me kai no mami nchire wade ye ni kromo ha na NDC for be ka kire ye say and aye nyina ye ka kire ye say there was illegal vote transfer. And IT system na enye credible no ye ka asem pim asem be na omu ba about beka omu ka kire ye say asem aye ka no nyina ye nyina so bia
nti mo fa nyina so mo
ye fa nyina so eye de enfa ma
ka mo ye ni pete mu no mo ti me de ko
enu akire ena omu general secretary ebe ye press conference say asema NDC ene John CDC lu ketia eka no enukure bia anye de enim ye illegal transfer no happen here. IT system na omuka say enye robust no happen here because say IT system no aye robust a obi ani ho a obetimi afa backdoor enter to that particular system atimi aye illegal transfer. Emma isi na nkasa ebe jet mu say there was a 500,000 vote transfer ewo Mensha South. Enti court no I order omu say omunsa ye de omunsa fast ankrofo no ye de echo back. Eno de anka omunim say asasem na ye ka de ntro a ye say ka ba this no say ye kura ye wu ye wo krom ha ena Jane Mensa no during COVID-19 na omu ka kire say ye lockdown ena omu ye de ona omu gina mu aye registration ye wo lockdown omu ka kire Akufo-Addo NMPP aban e ka kire say obi ankoda 6 o'clock still Jemisa and Akufo-Addo say ombeye voter registration. Omuye na omanye. It tells you what these people are capable of doing. So if they are telling us today, say, oh, this is what this is yawa and omuka kire ye say. Omube print a notice of poll and a ballot papers. Adechi ya na omusa be ka kire say, omanye de omankasa. Say only notice post of notice right now on printing. Ye ni kromo ha 2020 and I want to me eco printing ballot paper over 1 million e ko chinu. E was one say.
That's what saying.
If want me the chairman of the MPP in Asante region e catch Ghana for ni say they know how to win the election. What does it? Or say or Ghana for anymore omu strategy acquire on why and win abano. It tells you what their plan. And nothing that this time around I was saying in that was John Dramani Mahama, the flag bearer, the leader of the National Democratic Congress, has said, no way we will go to court again. Because MPP and Akufo-Addo Bawumia have packed their apparatus into what? The judiciary. So they know that everything that they send to the court, they will always win. So this time around, no, a boot for boot. Ye wo kromo ha na omu ka kire say ye emphasize peace part na ye ku nipa 8 nipa wochi e wo Ghana ha ye nsam be sai part ne biom we will not sign this contract again so that ye be say will biom there be hey we should be vigilant and we are now vigilant and Ghanaians are discerning and they know that these people have failed Ghanaians. They know say only thing that they will do is say propaganda and Diane, the NDC for catching the say Ghana for I desperate for power.
Correct.
Ghana for one chiromu. Ghana for was say Ghana for esika semu of form. Your school semu of form. Your hospital semu of form. And at the end of the day, no, John Dramani Mahama and Kwan Betty Ababa implemented 24-hour economy formula 133 so that Ghana for the now Mahama and what do you call it? Ghana Echo Bosch Assassin. Medamu Namase. Yamishramu. John Dramani Mahama all the way.
Yo. Diane, Mesa Dasibio.
Great.
Yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bra no the initiative we say ba agenda 111 project no. Yewura Mahama ka say what say over ambition, not realistic.
It's true.
Oh na mecho. Meba. What say na enye realistic. Just entimi nye debe
It's true.
Yeah, it's true.
Yes.
Ojoyka.
It's true.
I feel ono Yewura John Dramani Mahama na say Chukwuasaka say agenda 111 is a good initiative. So when I come to power, then I will continue. Oh, the major no. Just say always inconsistent. But just what me then I say. Just say oni eni so adiku.
Brofo.
And I feel so no.
It is English.
Allow him, sweetheart.
It is English.
I feel so no. Yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia about 70% agenda 111 no I completed this month like I said BBA ano yeah a bit to say a year election idia wo kan ho asemi a year Yewura
ye mami jemensa
ne bossman no me adia o kanyina election emre bia me kan say oba when election you win a process.
Yeah.
From day one, Electoral Commission, say you be trading. All the political parties no. Anything in our IPAC, political parties ni na echo.
Sir.
Me mami ekra don ko nyame fa ne kra ensie. So obeka ya IPAC meeting e ko anu ni ade a NDC fo pese obo ya no frustrate ye mami no. Se ye ka obi a eni nka obo a MPP ma MPP ba apemu a ye ma me sharoto se ono ana MPP for ye ma na mo ono so no oye debe se eye Mahama na de ne baaye se no oye nadwuma aha ana ono asoso ye Yewura John Dramani Mahama no ne eka se ye nya yi si no onye nadwuma na den ne de mo aye takra ogim aye ma mi je so on de mo man kwan so wonye na adwuma ye bie ejinsi ya trading kwakwa kotire wodi upulling agent wo hono mo ye vienum ne ade nipa a wo mo betre edin no dodo ye sei obi a taking a records ye vienum ne ade electoral commission so ede edin nyina so ma all the political parties ye wienum ne ade ye say edin bi wo hono mo a ebia enfunso bi aba ho they we need to rectify it ni nyina e mo say more evidences yes say you say mo famra mo kono ya na mo the pen driver hwi eli so ana mo ye de mo de ko e say mo akasa no adwuma na mo ye no mo nte ase
sir
o mo nte
pen driver mo ko na hini so
hwi ni so
isi na kan
me say hwi ni pen drive no so so what I said yes here ba be print notice of who he used to say one must say 2 weeks ana ye de beye saa enoma yi ehwa na ndc for abase ye say eye one week kese wo bi wo mo antiase o enu na afa yewura John Dramani Mahama eso so asa akwa gina ba bi se ye ntiase na antiase kina ye nu ti 2020 and ye printing papers ni bi na yi meanwhile ye printing papers ahụ ye de beto abadan a ni omuni all the political parties no obi a rep ho
yeah of course obi a
rep ho and afi so no eye security service for so ye dey ewo ho etu ni hwan ese wo be print bi no ni ade wa ba be gina no mo ka se yeru acha ma wontumi se ye ni mu kwan a ye de be ye fa so really election je yewura eye chama wontumi kan se yen MPP for yen ye beto aba na se eye election process bia na ne nkrofo ana ne party mafo no omo ye vigilant adwuma ne step 1 no omo giso bibia ye nkotena yisi nkonko no ti ye no na chama wontumi ye de be eka ho asem because ne mabunu no se wo mo tena sisei Daya, me ti wonu mi se me kase ne me na. Metina se amade achi. 2016, me ko e pooling agent.
Say why bo adwumu po.
Me ko yisi, ye ko ya ne NDC for bia ko hwe sa no mani nyina ewie ye anadu the whole day me sabetina ho aye adwuma kopem se ye declare results no. E che se den ye ni abrese ye petumi. Enya mo amode mo kwa na mo ko no num ti no mo ne ade. Na say we are two abani we are was a menti ase ye no ti na ma sha ase ye John Dramani Mahama no say monko yisi na monko edede monko na monko kini wo mo say monko yisi a ye kan Ashanti region ya yisi office kede wo mo kokko ye ekọ papa honum eno manyina eti de me kan say Ghana for baby a ye duro no enye tutura asem we say na ade be say Ghana ni adwene o wati ase wo hu se de amamuo eko wo hu baabi a Ghana gina wo hu se yewura John Dramani Mahama aba beye assemblyman be Ghana fo hu se yewura John Dramani Mahama aba bedi MP enfie poli dumienu osaba beye information minister osaba beye vice president osaba beye president afenso so wasasi yen santo abaman bim anakana for say kratie who ye to prepare to na yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia yen to abama ne da papa we ni timma ballot paper so da say Ghana for say onu ana Ghana for say ehiawo yesu frɛ no onu ana free SHT for say yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia yenya ye maame ni ye papa ni bie yen ensoso yensoso ye die ne a teacher for ensoso say yen ana ye kire ade efie poli miensa John Dramani Mahama ma ye fie e ma ye bosome miensa pe no ti ayeka o omo si ni nyina ayeka omo nyare abefie anesifo ene teachers training for omo se omo alawa no ye twamo omo se de oba ya wo ti be restore ye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ni omo si ni nyina omo kai eti Ghana for say omo pen confirm na omo tutu ko obokina no Ghana for say omo pen kuko buo no yeti on the 7th December omo to abama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eti be bia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho anani peace so eda number 1
8461 yen ko ma me family calls no na yen sorry to me dey say be sorry atense mi rakama sa obia na dey attack to ye kwa okay then one
say I confirm to Burkina Faso confirm ye nipa say confirm ye nipa okay or say free education no mo aye yesu e na launch progressively free education enu nti na ye di e-blocks na ye de eba enti say wo kasa asem na e wo so enye easy na gitu say
hello caller good morning
Diane.
Hi darling
From Eric because free me
Pastor you everything see one okay
chiam pa na go pomishira o de abeda from ka na go pomishira no mo de hu nfom no na ntom na de be ya da ne be nyina no o ti di abeti djuma de suku ama ye tio e o Ghana fa ne nyina kana me ko ma tem so no NPC for je so mo de bi bia mo de bae health insurance card is no mo de bae
And the bomb between us one about papa me some money shop different stations. And now you what the agenda one and this for say to me adwuma. Me krom ha afum yes. Doctor baby ano. Omo kenke ma omo buy omo ye any de omo ba omo basia ba be ya ma ye. Enu mum e na ye fa tie. Na baka so ba me nkoko market nkitin nkoko bu mprekoma. Wa sha de Ghana forest na jata be guma ye hu de prefidi omo a. No pa na mami. Tiatia ni jata Ghana for de ye mo a. De bia de mo ho adwuma ne yenye. The bomb between na bana so na afin I know dura doctor number 1 oba me so me have to na for so honorable Ivan so poku de bi ono so number 1.
All right, then 0202668461 be part of the conversation. Now, call a customer and so 0202668461. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, 02026684.
Good morning.
Good morning, my dear.
Good morning, Mandaya.
Good morning. Ofana hoye.
Me hoye pa Mandaya.
Pati tiwa no pay.
Yo. Prince Accra.
President Bajentio.
Yo, Mandaya. Edika yame onshira obebe.
Amen.
Ni ame pesa mekanite. NDC ni no to ho no nsama wo ka no. Me Prince, me hu ni ti ehu ne nan. And someone can was so can say, young NDC, ye buy ye be ye see, ye be ye see, ye be ye see. Now walk. But who but no can say, this, Anna, Yenya, ye dear, when you whom ya will fire day, actually. Ye ka MPP government, ya woman or mobile, one more young woman, who big yara woman, you mean ya so fast. No sooner was he a general son ya two. If he say, saa Dubai ya wɔka ho asɛm wɔ sɛkiri ɔno ankasa na ɔte hɔ na ɔfa surprise ɛna hɛni maame ɔte ma ɔwɔ mante manka bi no ɛmbere bɛn na ɔba akra bɛba Dubai so but free essence no ne ɔwɔ mante manka bi ne ba bɛnya so mfasoɔ ne nananom bɛnya so mfasoɔ ɛno na yɛka ho asɛm o health insurance ne ɔte mante manka bi ne ba benya so mfasoɔ na nana benya so mfasoɔ ɛno na yɛka ho asɛm yi kofoɔ baayɛ a ɔde free school baayɛ from crèche to JS3 no obi biara anya so mfasoɔ nti aba no yɛto a yɛhwɛ ne yɛbɛboa yɛn mma ne yɛn mma nananom ne yɛhwɛ fo de ato aba nti afei ne yɛpɛ sɛ yɛka ne sɛ it is possible number 1 ɛhɔ a ne Ghanafoɔ mo nto aba no mfa.
President Pasho, yeah, that's it. 0202668461 0202668461. A customer is here, if possible, at for 2 calls. Hello, caller. Good morning.
Come on, Mama Diane.
Pasho, hoye.
Hoye na ose.
Abang Pasho, me sumi hoye pa, yenti wa no pay.
Simon Bayo ni kada tin
Simon Bayo, I miss you. How are you?
Fine. How are you too?
I'm fine, Simon. Ain't you?
Martin Medase.
Great.
I'm come out and so. Na MPP ni say confirm to akobokina. Confirm the money you to say skabete. Say confirm the oya sakrabo to mani ye. Skabete ni mo edu. Edu ta buy omo ti mi ma skabete speech die. And they who ha samanka. I don't know every what you got some sa. Confirm the skabete the end mo edu. Ọdọmọ bàbá yà bẹ ẹnna ni mo edu ọmọ wọn mọ kọrọ wọn kẹsí ẹ na wọn bọ ọbẹ yìí ha wọn sọ wọn kẹsí ọmọ ká wọn asẹm wọn máa yẹ adé náà ṣẹṣẹ kọlọ baako ṣẹṣẹ ẹbí ìfọ ọmọ yà adé asọwọsọ níbi ọsàn mahama ti inú fàṣẹ ẹni sọ kéye ṣẹlẹ mahama ti inú fàṣẹ ẹni sọ àná wọn máa wọn jẹ ẹnyà àtọmọ náà nígbà báyìí ní sẹ àwọn wọn kọ yìí lẹbẹ pí ọmọ tó nkyẹn a yẹ pí ọmọ tó nkyẹn. Product is so far now, I'm going to go. I tell you, I say, come on, no floor. That's why only a midman.
All right, Simon. Oh, sorry about that, Simon. Obana just no, I don't know. I just love him. Yeah, I just love him. Last caller, Rana. Ian, sorry, kwata. Hello, last caller. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mira mpacho me ho ye na nse. Pacho ma ne so kakra ma me ye nko.
Yo, eso pedazo. The catastrophe will be that. The film could be out.
All right, go into.
Now, yeah. You know, people in here, all kind of color. So, I come from it. So, I am Takabwa. Yeah, I am Takabwa. It's now, see, as it is no more by and then I see one on plan and one is here. So, we and see bank. That's a one of Frank and Guma. We were not able to do over 3 years. Well, and you know, you know, people don't have it because the system is not share. What I say, you're not here for that. If you know people don't quiet, and they shall go into your past. You're not passing to it. A day to most move by economy, am I? Share dollar. I run up at the sea, and then she keep not to top. Well, quite can go on a modern with the action using the account can you be for that? Yeah, but what can you do for that? Madame NBC not on Madame Mission on the 7th NBC.
So me fa call via ABM. Budi yoko 1 minute, Mr. Don't exceed 1 minute.
Yo.
Asempetia.
The American and say Ghana for more money. GGA a Ghana for Munina more enya ewa yira Dr. Mahmoud Baumiamu. No more dear good. A jasso. Ye tongue. But it's a tax waiver. I feel so a year. Yira Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and Mebuna. Opanumuni adia. Ye before Mojuma. Oh, on digitalization system.
Okay.
I feel ye be training woman. I feel near Sato Subium so. Ye should be bia sefofo. To say me no more register more business no. Business if your own team into tax nyina ye be shase and I so me no more omo magazine so no. A flat rate. Ana a day ba. Okay. You be kind. I say na ye ntimi nyi ye no ma no me ade. Menua. Yewra John Dramani Mahama. At the port no, but you could see our for 35 good years. And NDC are buying your buyer was the best Ghana for so long. Yanuti and yes set to a on the 7th December from
thank you.
No means
Lily, Ghana for me, Jamunina. Now Munti John Dramani Mahama Sempa or the Iwo catch them. Say Oba Beye. Akufa do ne Baumia, Mumbusa Omuse. What you may see kana ewo ho na omude tu nyum wayome gaga to ayenche dino sa sika no ekosi sen DKM ne sika no ekosi sen mombusa no baomia na ka kire ye se eni kwese etase momu enti momo use ehiafo vulnerables no na ye de ye transaction ho or the e-levy ebaye or the tax on bet ebaye ono so na be ka kire se ya chichiri ne samies emienu agu ne chi nti woni tumi bia ba ono na agusu ye the chairman of economic management team no nti mu hwe ntro bebebe a mu try within these 8 years no enyema ben na mu timi ye agenda 11 na to nsuo mu nti mu ntro aba efama Dramani Mahama December 7
and I'm big thank you so very much. Of course, more friend, more my friends, you know, so no, yeah, that was the more by social media platform, no, so you know, made them, you know, similar Kamasan, Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NDC, and of course, Obudu, Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the New Patriotic Party, Amanyuko Kese, MPP, production crew, you know, made them must say, Sekobi, Ima, famous. And Afi Adam Best. I thank you. Me did Diane. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.
Preview.